What do we have here today? We have this very nice Kowloon'd Hypervan. Okay, I thought this was a bus. It says HW Metro, and this is the 10 out of 10. Okay, it looks nice. I don't know which language is that, so I will refrain my comments on that. Looks good though, right? It's very cool. I like this. See, there are some fantasy castings that we all need to give some appreciation for. Okay, well, in that case I come in the picture. I give appreciation to them. So this is Let's Race. This is the Netflix edition. Yeah, this is available on Disposable Sir, Disposable N. Okay, that's Spanish. Okay, available on Disposable Sir. Okay, there's some series or movie, I don't know. Not a big Netflix fan, or I don't even have time to watch Netflix. Nice. This is nice. This is nice. You have to see this. That's the Hot Wheels logo and some other stuff. Private light bus, 16 seats. That's what they have written there. What else do we have? We'll have to uncard it, okay, just to read what it is and see how good the casting has been done. And look at the paintwork. Look at the paintwork. So much details. So much details. Right? I'll keep it short again, and we'll see the full details in the full review. Stay tuned for that. Please do make sure that you leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Do share this with the Hot Wheels collector if you like, and if you were skeptical about getting this one, stay tuned to the next one, or better yet, I'll tell you the answer. I think you should get it. It looks absolutely nice. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned. Bye bye.